This is my filthy microwave that I hate to clean, but I just sprayed this solution that I found on Pinterest that has vinegar, water, tea tree oil, and a little bit of dish soap. And just let that sit for like a minute. Close the door and everything. And then literally just wipes everything off. It's like the easiest little solution I've ever used. It really breaks up food really good. I even use it on like really stubborn dishes because it really breaks up food particles really well. Yeah. And honestly, it's that easy. Look at that. For like harder spots, leave it on for like 5 minutes.